That day also you came in.
Yeah.
7 minutes earlier. So, ma'am, see there.
This will keep the things in place.
Oh, okay.
लेकिन आपने वो जो थेराबैंड वाला मैंने एक्सरसाइज सिखाया है
जी
वो आपने रिपीट करते रहना है.
अच्छा.
I've also given her lying down, the scapular.
ओके. वो वाली पहले वाली जो मैम ने सिखाई एक्सरसाइज वो आपने कंटिन्यू रखनी है.
The chair one.
No, there, the lying down one.
Yeah. That I'm doing.
Morning.
Yeah.
So add this to your whole. I
Sorry.
told you your kitty of rehab exercises will keep growing.
Yeah.